I have a wig from Nadulahair. This is their 10-inch chestnut brown glueless wig. So this is a 7x5 closure wig. Comes pre-cut, comes with the knots pre-bleached for you. The wig is already plucked. This is the color that it looks like. It has black roots, so it's more of an ombre look. It is shaped just like a glueless wig, so you have all of the things on the inside to make it stay. The drawstring, the adjustable band, as well as the grips on the inside that stops the wig from shifting around. Once you take the wig out the box and you put it on, this is what it looks like. I decided not to tint the lace straight out so you could see. I normally tint the underside. Before I get into that, I just go ahead and make sure that it's fitting good. So I pull the drawstring and the adjustable band on the inside are already secured. The wig is a great fit, as well as it's just lightweight. I love when they make it like this. Then I get into tinting my lace. I use my foundation shade that I use for my makeup. Ever since I went back to doing this, it just looks more seamless to me. That's the foundation that I like to use, and that's what I use to tint my lace. Prefer to have a not straight hairline when I wear my wigs, so this is how I kind of hack that. I just take my comb and I make little like U shapes, and I do it in 4 sections across the hairline. Doesn't matter where, it just random spots, and you just pull some hair out. So then the hairline is a little bit more irregular. Like I mentioned earlier, this wig is made to be worn glueless, but I wanted to spray it down for some extra security, and I just like melting my lace. So I went in with the Eben black spray, and I just sprayed a little bit of that on, and I did it in sections, some underneath the lace and then again on top. I do it like this, and then I just let it air dry. Or if I'm just doing a short-term hold, I don't plan on keeping my wig on for multiple days. This is just a good hold for pretty much all day long, so you can redo the next day. This is the hair flat iron. I actually really like the cut. It's longer in the front. The cut is really good on this wig, and after I melted the lace and everything, I think that the lace quality is really good. I like Nadulahair. I think the quality of their hair is good. You can wear this wig glueless, but I wanted to go ahead and spray it down for some extra security, so that's just what I did. And I just used the Eben spray as I showed earlier in the video. So I wanted to show what it looked like straight, and then now I'm just gonna go ahead and style it in one of my favorite ways to style a bob. So let's get into that. I actually lost the footage of me curling this wig, and I feel so bad because that was the whole point of showing all these curls. I do have a short YouTube short, so you can go check that out, where I am actually curling it in that video, so you can see how I achieved these curls. But this is basically just what the wig comes out looking like after you do the curls. It doesn't take long. It flips all around the back, and then I just did 2 curls in the front on both sides, and I like to pin them and spray some hairspray so they will hold. This is one of my favorite ways to wear my bob wigs. I just feel like this style is so cute. It's so classy. The color is just perfect for the spring summer, since we are coming up on like the warmer months. I feel like colors just look so good when it starts to get warm outside. If you're scared to try color, I always recommend wigs like this because you still have the black roots and it's kind of like easing you into it. If you want this wig, the details will be down in the description box per usual. And if you're not already subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see y'all in my next video.
Tell me what's the definition of love? Seems like everybody thinks and I'm picking